back to my, what was going on here? Ugh, don't you hate this when you wear lip gloss and your hair gets stuck to it? Like lip gloss on a windy day? Nope. Anyway, so today I have a haul. I got a big bag. Today I have got a try on clothing haul. It's kind of just a random haul. Anyway, so I got this massive bag from H&M. And all these items are from H&M. This isn't a purely H&M haul. It's just that H&M was like the first shop that I went to and they gave me a big bag. So I stuffed everything else in this big bag and then get a bag elsewhere because it's we have to pay for bags now. 5p a bag. I'm just gonna keep it all in one bag. Anyway, let's just jump straight into it. So first thing that I got is actually what I'm wearing right now. I don't know if it was a good idea or not to be wearing this when I'm including it in the haul. But this is just a pale blue. I really like pastel colors. I have a lot of light colored clothing. I just don't really like wearing dark colors a lot. So this is like a low v-neck kind of baggy jumper. It fits well. It's comfortable. It's good. I think this was £10 or £7 or something like that. Can't really remember because I'm wearing it right now, so I don't really have the price tag, but it was on sale. All the items that I got and everything that I'm showing you in this haul are sale items because I love a good sale. But this jumper that I'm wearing right now is just your simple, plain, baggy, low v-neck jumper. There's nothing really much to it. So this thing I actually got from River Island. I saw it and I was like, this is something different. I don't have anything really like. I tend to buy a lot of the same type of clothes and I don't really have any like this. So this is a shirt and it's got a little tie at the front and it's lowered at the back because of course the front is tied. It was £15 and it's a nice fit. One thing I don't really like about it, it has stains on it. It was the last one in my size, but I was like, you know what, it'll wash away in the wash. Like there's some green felt tip stain right here. There's some black markings right here. River Island, what is up? I really like it. It's something that you can dress up, you can dress down. It's a nice satiny material. It's not satin, but it has that kind of satin feel and satin-like to it. It's a nice shirt. Don't really have much shirts like this, so I thought that this was a good buy. Just place this right here. Next thing I got is a jumper. I've got quite a few jumpers, like I said before. Oh, all this like fluff stuff lying around. Okay, so this jumper I thought was quite different because it's a pattern that I don't really have in a jumper. It's very the thread. I don't really know what kind of pattern this is called. Is it tartan? Is it, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm gonna say it's a tartan pattern. It's probably not, is it? It's not, it's just a pattern. I like it because I really like the colors. It's got your white right here, it's got your blue, your yellow, and your pink as well. And it's a thick jumper, so it will keep you warm for the winter because right now it is very, very cold. It was snowing last night and so I need a thick jumper and this was £15, so it was half price. It was £30 and I really like it. Next thing is this dress. So this dress is not your ordinary dress. It is, how do you say it, faux suede material. Not real suede, but it's like, yeah, it's different. And what I really like about this, I had a suede dress before. A faux, is that how you pronounce it? Faux? I don't know, but all I'm saying is it's a nice dress. The suede dress that I had before, it's because suede isn't a very stretchy material. Oh, it was tight. Like you have to be wearing a dress on a skinny day. This, it's not a very like skin tight hugging material. I mean, it hugs, but it hugs gently. It's also something that you can dress up, you can dress down. 3/4 length sleeve, which is really nice. It's coming out quite darker on camera, but it's actually a lighter grey. And at the bottom is curved. What I like about dresses is the curve at the bottom. I don't really like a straight cut on a dress. I just feel like it makes me look quite blocky. It has this kind of raw cut feel to it where like the edges are just, they just cut. This was £14 and it was 28. Next thing is another jumper. The reason why I got this jumper because it's £6. It's £6. £6 for a jumper. Also, what really got me on this jumper was that it is super soft. It is so soft. This is huggable material right here. It's the winter. We're getting a little bit fat in the winter, so gotta have it nice and baggy. I actually got it in a size large because I like the baggy fit. I saw small, and small just looked, it didn't look like a good fit. I like my baggy jumpers, and it has this kind of like reflective feel to it, so it's not your ordinary baggy jumper. It has like, I don't really know how to call it. It's just very like, look, you see it reflects in the light. That's quite nice, right? It's nice. Okay, so this is just another blue jumper, like the one I'm wearing, but different shade of blue. Like you see this blue against this blue, different blue. This one's more of a bolder blue. However, it's a bolder blue, but the material is very thin. It's a very thin material. When I tried this on, you could see my bra. So, but then again, not really complaining because it was only £6 for this jumper, so that's really nice. I like the fit of it, as in the shape of it. Like the shape of it, it has a low drop on the arm here, and I just like that because I just like the whole bagginess right here. I need the baggy armpit area, that's it. Arms, they kind of fluff out a little bit like a balloon, but not a big balloon. I don't like it when the sleeves are, you know, the massive sleeves. I'm not a fan of that. If the material was more thicker, so I don't really like wearing layers, so I don't really want to wear a vest top inside or a top inside. I'm not really about wearing layers, so I don't really want to wear layers. The only thing about this is that I wish that it was just a thicker material. Like if I stick my hand through it, look, you can tell that this material is like a see-through material. You can tell. Next thing is, next and last thing, actually, this is not a big haul, but next thing, I thought this was a bit interesting. This is, like I said, I like my lilac colors. This is a lilac jumper, and it has an interesting back. I actually had a sticker saying look at the back, but I think I took it off. So this is the front. It's just your lilac jumper with a v-neck, but at the back it's got this gap on the back. Why? I don't know. Maybe you like air coming towards this area of your back. But at the bottom, going along the center this time, is kind of like a braid like lace thing going on. Like you can make it as loose or as tight as you want it. Or maybe you can't make it as loose as tight as you want it. I feel like there's a tying thing at the bottom. But there's this braid, this plait going along the center on the back. In the winter, usually I'm wearing a coat or something, so no one's really gonna see the back. But when I take the coat off, it's a nice back for the jumper. This was £8. I thought it was a good deal. It used to be £20, $19.99. Yeah, what really caught me wasn't really the back, it was the color. I really like this lilac color on the jumper. I don't have a lilac jumper, so I thought this would look pretty cool. So that is basically it for this haul. This isn't a very big haul. I just wanted to show you some of the stuff which I bought recently in the sales. I've cut down a lot on my shopping. I wish I did hauls back in second year. If you could see the stuff that I bought, like, anyway, different story. But that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more hauls, more these videos, that videos, all types of videos. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.